Elon Musk reveals a new Model S. Have we talked about this on the show yet? I mean, maybe.
Yeah, we have.
Just a little bit here and there. They've been working on this sort of faster performance Model S. It's not a new Model S. Well, it's new in the sense that you're going to have new battery tech and, of course, a better performance and better range because of the better tech that's in there. It's going to be capable of traveling 520 miles on a single charge. This is past ludicrous. Beyond ludicrous is Plaid. This is the Plaid Model S that they were testing at the Nürburgring in Germany. I believe they were testing it at Laguna Seca, trying to set records for electric vehicles. The thing is going to be stupid fast. Of course, it would have to be stupid fast. You're calling it Plaid, which is from the movie Spaceballs. I believe it's going to go 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, Willie Do. Equivalent horsepower of 1,100 and a top speed of 200 miles per hour. Model S Plaid. Now, you know me. We talked about it when I first saw this. I still wish they just update the Model S a little bit. The physical appearance of it. I want to know I got the Plaid model. It's maybe just a bit too covert, and also the design is just, well, it's 2012, right? I wish the styling and the trim pieces were more like the Model Y on the Model S. Just a slight little lift up with the black trim. I know you can do this after the fact with 3M materials. You can do the chrome delete, as they like to call it in the automotive world. But yeah, it just still feels too similar to what it's been for so long right now to really get me excited about spending what would be $140,000 US for that model.
Not to mention the interior, which we talked about
before.
Oh,
the same. Yeah, the same. I'm including all of it. The look and feel of the thing as opposed to just the performance. I mean, I'm going to welcome any performance, and I'm a huge fan of battery tech. And I might get the thing just because, Will.
Okay. Well,
just to put that out there. And we should probably get it in studio. But here's another thing that happens with Tesla. They tell you can get it, but late 2021. And you can order it right now. And it's late 2021. And I saw people on Twitter talking, how cool would it be if Tesla was ever able to put something out that you could order right now?
Yeah. That's the formula Apple did, right?
Yes.
You get it like, what, 2 weeks or something?
Now, obviously, a car is a bit of a different story. It's build to order type of thing, but it would just be, the place would go nuts.
Oh, yeah.
You can order it now and you'll have it in a month.
Yeah.
People will go nuts. I might have bought one already. But 2021, end of 2021, at least for me, and I get it, this is tough stuff to make, but it lets it sit on the back burner for me a little bit. And I'm like, whatever, I'll think about it. But it is nuts. 520 miles with that kind of performance, that crushes the Taycan. I don't know what of course, they're competing with the Lucid model now, the Lucid Air, which is also tremendous performance, tremendous range, and it's closer. It seems to be closer than this one. But then it also gets me wondering about the Roadster, which that thing just vanished. And they're like, yeah, it's not a huge priority, even though tons of people had been talking about it at that event, which seems like it was a decade ago at this point. Not that it doesn't look amazing. That white one looks too sick. That is pure Stormtrooper right there. So it's not that I'm not excited about this stuff. It's just the style and how you have to go about these announcements and all the rest of it. Maybe it's just you're impatient. It's like, oh, it's so cool. End of 2021.
I know. What a bummer.
Anyway, it is going to be very expensive. It's only going to be for people that want the absolute bragging rights. It's not a mass market model by any means, but 0 to 60 under 2 seconds, just for people who aren't super into cars, that's $1 million car territory, right? You're talking like Bugatti, and that's just, it's ridiculous for a sedan with a hatchback. Just to be clear. I mean, and it was already ridiculous. It's 2.3 seconds right now. See where my hands are here?
Yeah.
It's already ridiculous. How does it get more ridiculous?